Hello, my name is Zach Eppers. I work for Coachmen RV. I'm down here with General RV today to introduce you the new Coachmen Euro 25 EU. Here we go. So some of the highlights on the Euro from the outside is we have nice LED lights, a diamond shield. We've slanted this front windshield and the front cap back. And why that's unique is because when you're sitting up here driving the Euro, you're gonna have more of an automotive truck feel to it. What's nice about the Euro 2 is this is built on the F53 chassis. You have 19.5-inch tires. Those are gonna be much larger tires than you typically get on something this size. And then we did do aftermarket aluminum rims on here as well instead of the stainless simulators. So walking around the side here, a couple other features is you do have a Girard legless awning where, if you get too much wind or water on there, it'll automatically go in. Here's some exterior storage. And as you can see, nice slam latch doors here. We do have a nice window down here, and what we call this is the doggy window. And what's unique about it is if you're driving it, you'll be able to see out here. Even though you have the side view cameras, it still eliminates that blind spot. What's nice about the storage compartment here is you're going to notice you do have an inverter. What that inverter does, it takes your 12-volt power, converts it to 110. So when you're going down the road, you can watch your TV. Some of your outlets will be live if you want to plug in a computer or cell phone or something like that. So here on the rear of the Euro, a couple things I want to point out. One, you have an 8,000-pound hitch. Now, one thing I did mention is that this is built on the F53 chassis. So it's a 16K GVWR chassis and a 23 GCWR chassis. So what's unique about that, when you're full fuel, full propane, you can still put 2,000 pounds of stuff in there. If you're at full capacity on the inside, that means that this coach will weigh 16,000 pounds and you can still tow 7,000 pounds. So if you put about 1,000 pounds inside, you could tow 8,000 pounds. So this small motorhome actually has some of the most towing capacity that you can get in a Class A motorhome. On this side of the motorhome, this is where your propane, your hookups, your water, all that stuff is going to be over here. So right here you have a 50 amp power cord. And what's nice about this coach being 50 amp power is that means you're going to have a 5.5 kilowatt Onan generator on here, and you also have dual AC. Another unique thing about the Euro is its size. And the height is actually about the same height as a Class C. It's 11 feet tall. So this is about 1.5 feet shorter than your typical Class A. And the other thing is it's about 3 inches more narrow than your typical Class A motorhome too. So over here, this is where your hookups are, your city water connection, fresh water fill, sewer tank flush. You do have a place to hook up your portable satellite. Up on the roof, this is a fiberglass roof. You can do an in-motion satellite up there that is prepped for it. A couple other things that you're gonna have here is here's that 5.5 Onan generator that I talked about earlier. So again, that's that 50 amp service. Right here, again, this is your propane, so nice large propane tank here. And then this is gonna be access to get to your house battery. That's the outside. The whole inspiration of the Euro, why we call it the Euro, is because we want to give you that European styling, but we also wanted to still give you some North American creature comforts. So for instance, on the inside, we've done the LED strip lighting integrated into the batten strip. So up here in the front, you do have power shades up here. You do have hydraulic levelers. Another thing that I like is we put this big radio on here. If you want to transition it, you can transition it. That way you can get to your storage here a little bit easier. You do have a pull-out computer tray here. Both of these chairs will turn 180 degrees around. So when this turns around, you have this table here. Coming down here, this is your sofa. This will convert into a bed. You have two nice captain chairs here. Pull-out storage underneath these captain chairs. 40-inch TV here. This is a smart TV. So here in the kitchen area, what's unique about this is the size of this. Just a ton of counter space. You do have an induction cooktop. This will come up and out. So if you want to go outside, you can lift this up, take this outside, cook outside. The other thing is you have this nice big range hood vent. This is gonna, keep smells and stuff like that when you're cooking. Also gives it a unique look. Some nice overhead cabinets here. A nice farm sink. Right here, you have a big storage drawer. And what's nice about this is you have a trash and recycling bin. And then, you never have a place to put your cleaning products. So what's nice is you can put your cleaning products in here, and this just stores away just like that. Here's your controls for your legless awning for your tanks, your slide, and your inverter. Some nice large drawers. You have these on here, so that way when they're in, they're not going to go anywhere. They are soft close too, so if you slam one or something like that, you don't have to worry about breaking the little plastic parts off. As we go in here, here's your refrigerator. Nice large refrigerator. This is going to be about a 12 cubic foot refrigerator. You do have a nice freezer down here as well. So you have a pantry area here. Wardrobe here. Another wardrobe here. Again, you have hanging clothes. And then what's unique on here is you actually have a dishwasher. So some of those North American creature comforts that we still give you on here, even though it's that European style, that European look and size, is a dishwasher, is ample storage space. We actually have a king bed in here. As you can see, you can fully walk around this king bed too. You have a bedroom TV here, some more storage compartments up there. And then here in your bathroom, I'm 6 feet tall, got plenty of room here. Got a nice shower I can turn all the way around in. Good place to put my soaps and stuff like that. When I come out here, again, nice storage here, a lit vanity mirror here, another upper storage here. Some of the highlights of this new Coachmen Euro. This is going to be more narrow, a lot shorter, and a lot smaller than your typical Class A. That's going to give you a much better driving experience than you typically get on a Class A motorhome. It's going to allow you to fit in a lot more camping spots. Just want to thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, go to generalrv.com, and we hope to welcome you to the Coachmen and General RV family. Thank you for watching.